to my channel. My name is Teresa and today I've come with a wrap dress, and I've already made this pattern which is custom to the measurements of my clients. I have here with me a stretchy fabric. Fold my material in half. This is the stretchy side. I'm going to cut the two parts of the front using one pattern paper. Pattern paper was actually too small and I want a longer dress, so I'm going to cut like this. To make the back piece, I used the same pattern paper for the front, but I just folded the side and the top part, and that's how I cut it out with the same shape. And to make the facing of the back piece, I cut out a small rectangle. Attaching the facing of the back piece and just putting it down with some pins and taking it to the machine that I can lay it down flat, and afterwards I open it, I turn it inside out so that I can have a nice finish to my dress. Right now I'm making the facing of the front piece, so I just traced out the facing using the actual front piece. I'm cutting off the excess material so that I can make it small. I'm cutting the strips of the dress. I like to cut big pieces, and then afterwards when I sew, I reduce it to the size that I want the strips to be. Cut off the excess fabric and I turn the strips inside out using a pin. I am attaching the facing of the front piece to the actual front piece, also attaching the strap of the dress and the belt of the dress. I sew right round it using a stretchy stitch, which is a zigzag stitch. Afterwards, I like to turn it inside out. So I did that for both the pieces of the front, and I joined them together with the back piece. This, and I'm going to sew right round the dress like that using a stretchy stitch, which is a zigzag stitch. And that's my tag right there. That's my Instagram handle. If you want to connect with me on Instagram, this is where I post my pictures of the things that I have sewn, my designs.